Hi, good people. I hope you are fine at your place. In today's video, you will learn how to delete one or more fields in ArcGIS. It deletes one or more fields from a table, feature class, feature layer, or raster dataset. Anyway, let's get started. Here, I have a country shapefile of Bangladesh. First, I will go to tribute table, and you can see here lots of fields. Here there are some fields that I don't need. So in this tutorial I will show you how to delete the selected fields that you don't need in your analysis or in your attribute table. So I will delete some selected fields in this video that I will show. Anyway, for that, go to search box and then write delete field, or you can get these tools from Arc Toolbox. Under data management tools, you will find a delete field. So I think the search option is the easiest way to find any tools. Anyway, double click on delete field and then just add shapefile. I've added district boundary here, and you can see here the lots of field. So open attribute table, then I will select the fields that I don't need. From here I will select, for instance, this field ATM2, and the next one, these one also, these on. I will select that I don't need. These on, and these on too. So I don't need this field, so I have selected this field and then click OK. It is in processing. Yes, delete field, it has done. And if I check the attribute table, so if I go to open attribute table, then you can see that the selected field has been deleted. So it is the easiest process, I think. This is a very simple but essential tricks that we need often while working on GIS. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for being with this channel. See you in the next tutorial.